Hello, I am Hiram Benroth, and this is a HelloWorld software on GitHub. I am just demonstrating the functionality of it. So first, if I hit run, it does print Hello World, which is a success in my book, as well as there are different things that I can do to update and respond, stuff like that. The purpose of this was so that I could get a feel for just how to use Git, um, Git ignore, also how to use the command prompt just to set things up, kind of like the virtual environment. I thought that was very interesting on how to learn, and then the settings as well, like here. And I think it's very interesting how pedantic you can be, and I'm excited to implement this more in other projects.